Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again, Physics with Mr. Ahmed. Guys, the previous lesson we studied the scientific methods and the type of the physics, and even we solved some examples. So for 2-3 minutes, we're gonna review again what we studied the previous lesson. We studied the type of the physics, mechanic, thermodynamic, vibrations, optic, electromagnetism, quantum mechanics, and their example too. We studied that is important, some of them. Um, And scientific method, as we said, all the scientists, all the physicists, like they have to do all the steps to get the formula to make a theory. For example, even we brought the example about the Einstein's and Newton's law. Most of the scientists that they have to do all the steps to create or establish or the making the um, formula or theory. We did all, even we saw this example. So guys, now section 2, measurement and experiment. Guys, in physics, actually, you have some experiment to do. So you have some quantity, we have some quantity and their unit. In this section, we have 3 tables. It's really important to memorize like your name, guys. The first table, we have some quantity. It's called quantity in physics. So length and mass, time, temperature, amount of matter, electric current, luminous density. So this is called quantity. So we have 7-8 quantity, and the symbol the unit 2. Guys, this is called the is international, like system international unit. So important the unit. For example, length. We know in physics to measure the distance, any distance, to measure its like to measure any length, it's called, or distance, a length, same. It's measured by meter. Or mass of any objects. It's measured by kilogram, and this is the symbol M small, mass, and the length is L capital. So the time, we measure the time by second. Guys, maybe you have a nice question in your mind, but what about in time you have a second, but what about milliseconds, like hours, minutes? Of course, we have too many seconds, but in ISA International, the time is just measured by seconds, and even temperature too. It's Kelvin. So the times is T small, temperature is T capital. Temperature you have a Celsius too to measure the temperature, but in SI International Baba just Kelvin. Amount of matter is N small, mole. Electric current, I capitals, measured by ampere the unit. To measure the electricity of house, like how many ampere that you have in house. And you hear this before. So the unit of electricity is measured by ampere, A capital, the unit, and the symbol of electric current, I. Luminous density, IV, and the unit is candela. Really is important. This so much important, guys. Memorize like your name, Baba. Because even for the upcoming chapter, we need this for the exam. So important too. You have the second table. Is important too. So actually, I said you have 3 tables. The second one. Again, you have another more quantity. Again, you have another more quantity, but this is called derived quantity. Why it's called derived quantity? I'm going to tell you why. We have area, volume, density, velocity, acceleration, force, energy. So the unit of area is meter power square, and the symbol of this quantity is measured by A capital. So the volume is V capital, and the volume's unit is meter cube, and the letter is V capital. Density is P. The unit of density is kilogram over meter cube. Velocity V small, meter per second. Acceleration A small, meter per second square. Force, and it's measured by Newton. Energy, joule. Okay, and even guys, you have some rules. The rule of area, length times width. For example, you have this box. I want to find the area of this box. You have to multiply this length with the width. It's like multiply these 2 dimensions together, you get the areas value. Volume, it's like 3 dimension, length, width, height, multiply together, you get the volume. So look, that's called derivation. Why? Because we can get the unit of each quantity according to the previous table. Now we studied how. For example, let me take the first rule. The rule of area is length times width. Okay. So length, the previous table we studied is meter. Guys, with length, with height, it's same. It's measured by meter. Like all of them, it's measured by meter. So meter times meter is gonna be meter power 2. So that's why in here you have meter power 2, the unit of area. So guys, look, according to the previous table that we studied, the unit of length is meter. According to the previous table, we can get the unit of this table. According to the previous table, we can get the benefit from the previous table to get the unit of area, volume, density. That's why it's called derivation. Like we can derive from the previous table to get the unit of each one of them. So this is a simple example of area. Another example, for example, it's volume. Volume, look, same thing. Length times width times height. The length same as meter. With this meter too. We said all length, width, height is measured by meter. So you have 3 meter times is gonna be meter cube. Look, so again, according to the previous table, we can get the unit of this table now. So it's called derivation. Guys, the quantity is important, the letter is important, and even the unit too. It's really important, and the rule guys too. So in general, you have to memorize all this table. Really so important. Even the upcoming chapter, because we need the rule for each one of them. Okay. The last rule, guys, this is so important. This is the main basic or physics, this one. In chapter 1, I can say this table, it's really like so important. Guys, we have some prefix for the power stands used in the metric units. You know prefix means what? The first 2 letters of any words. So prefix, you have tetra, giga, mega, kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, femto. We have even some rules, guys. Memorize like your name because you have a calculation or example to solve it. Okay. First, we have tetra prefix. It's measured by T capital. And guys, we don't need this. So tetra is T. This is the rule. So 1, even we don't need this one too, guys. Just 1 tetrameter equal to 10 power 12 meter. Okay, the second one, giga, G capital. 1 gigameter equal to 10 power 9 meter. The third one, mega, M capital. 1 megameter equal to 10 power 6 meter. Kilo, K capital. 1 kilometer equal to 10 power 3 meter. Let me erase it. Okay. Oh, you say it's not important. This. Okay. And 1 hectometer, we don't need this one too, guys. Just win the power. 1 hectometer equal to 10 power 2 meter. And 1 deca is equal to 10 meter. This is all about the power if it's positive. What if it's negative? 1 decimeter equal to 1.1 meter. 1 centimeter, guys, we can write like that. 1 centimeter equal to 0.001 meter or 10 power negative 2 meter. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 power negative 2 meter. And 1 millimeter equal to 10 power negative 3 meter. 1 micrometer equal to 10 power negative 6 meter. 1 nanometer equal to 10 power negative 9, and 1 pico 10 power negative 12, 1 femto 10 power negative 15. Guys, so important. Without this rule, without like memorizing this, if you don't memorize, guys, you cannot even solve one example. So it's really so important. Okay, now We have example, really so important. Look, a typical bacterium has a mass about 2 figograms. Express these measurements of gram and kilogram. So we have 2 femtogram. First, convert to gram, then convert to kilogram. So first femtogram make it gram, then make it kilogram. Okay, look, let me solve this all for you, Baba. Yalla. 2 femtogram. First, make it gram. Guys, memorize the step with me. Actually, we have 2 ways to solve this, even by the rule or immediately like multiply. But I'm gonna tell you both rules, but like follow the rule, it's better because it's you are grade 10 and it's the first time that you decide to convert the units. Even I'll tell you both rule, but both of the technique, but use the rule, it's better. Okay, the question said first make it gram, then kilogram. يلا بابا. First, convert 2 femtogram to gram. First, the question is written 2 femtogram. So write 2 femtogram. It should be small, sorry, femtogram. Guys, the step is like that. I memorize it. 2 femtogram. 2 femtogram. Multiply and make a line. 2 femtogram. Multiply and make a line. Guys, wherever in here we have any unit in the down, just copy. Again, femtogram. Why femtogram, mister? Because in the question insert a femtogram, in the down of the fraction, again copy the femtogram. What about in up? Because the question said convert to gram, right? So you have to write the gram in up. So because the number is written by 2 femtogram, in the down of the fractions copy the femtogram, but in up because the question said make it gram, write the gram in up. So the unit, if it's femtogram, copy. If it's nanogram, just copy the unit. But in up, it's depend the question. If it's the question said make it nano, write nano in up. Okay? So in here said make it gram, I'm going to write the gram in up. So guys, according to the rule, 1 femtogram equal 10 power negative 15. 1 femtogram equal to 10 power negative 15 gram. Guys, just one thing, the students really they don't understand this point. Some of the questions is femtometer or femtogram or like guys, the prefix is important. If the prefix is femto, emitted to the power, still 10 power negative 15. What if it's meter, femtometer, still negative 15. Look, 1 femtometer equal 10 power negative 15 meter. So the prefix is important, Bob. If we have femto emitted to the power negative 15. Okay, so look, 1 femtogram equal to 10 power negative 15 gram. Okay, look, Baba. 1 femto. Look. We have 1 femto. So in femto, in here, right, we have to write 1 because according to the rule, we have 1 femto, 1 femto. In the up, look, we have 10 power negative 15 gram. So next to the gram, we have to write 10 power negative 15. Okay. So guys, you studied in grade 9 math, the down fraction is 1. So this is same unit, femtogram. This 2 femtogram, because they are same unit, it will be cancelled. So equal. Because fraction, guys, the down fraction is 1. So 1 times 1, still 1. So don't write it. In the up it's left. 2 times 10 power negative 15, still 2 times 10 power negative 15, the unit is by gram. So the answer 2 times 10 power negative 15 gram. I hope to understand this part of question. The second part is left. Second part, uh, let me show you the answer. Still it's 2, look, same answer, 2 power 2 times 10 power negative 15. The second part, the question said, now uh, convert to kilogram. Guys, this was a number 2 femtogram. We did by gram. Now make it kilogram. But guys, do you have any rule like immediately directly to convert to in the tables to convert femtogram to kilogram? No, there is no rule. So what are we gonna do, Baba? We can get the benefit from the previous part. The previous part we found by gram, right? We found by gram. So we can use this number because by gram we have the rule gram to kilogram. We have the rule. So we can use this part. We can get the benefit from this part to make it kilogram because Baba, femtogram, it's hard to make it kilogram. There is no rule, but you have rule of the gram. So the previous one we get the answer is by the gram, so we can use this number to make it kilogram. Look, so the answer was 2 times 10 power negative 15. Yeah, the answer 2 times 10 power negative 15 gram. Okay, make it kilogram. So the rule, what was the rule of kilogram? 1 kilogram or 1 kilometer, as I said, this is not important because it's kilogram, same thing. So 1 kilometer or 1 kilogram equal to 10 power 3 gram or 10 power 3, sorry, meter. Okay, 10 power 3, sorry, wait a minute. 10 power 1 kilometer 10 power 3 meter. Guys, yalla, we can get the benefit from this part. Multiply, let me write in here, 2 times 10 power negative 15 grams, multiply, as I said all time, make a line. Yalla, because you have gram, we said copy gram in down, and in up we wanted to convert to kilogram, so write the kilogram in up. Yalla, according to the rule 1 kilometer or 1 kilogram, 1 kilometer or 1 kilogram, so you have to write the 1 kilogram in up. Okay, and let me make it kilograms. Gram is better. Kilogram 10 1 kilogram is equal to 10 1 close to 1000 or 10 power 3 10 power 3 10 power 3 gram. Okay, 1 kilogram, look, 1 kilogram equal 10 power 3, so you have to write in here 10 power 3. So the gram with grams cancel, equal. Okay, yeah, guys, the down it's 1. So look, because now Baba, the 10 power 3 is coming down the fraction, so you have to make a line. 1 times 10 power 3 still 10 power 3. The up we have 2 times 10 power negative 15 times 1 still 2 times 10 power negative 15. Let me make it nice, so complicated this one, guys. So Baba, look again, 2 times 10 power negative 15 gram times grams 1 kilogram. Okay, 1000. The gram would cancel, guys. This down it's 1. 1 times 1000 or 1 times 10 power 3 still 10 power 3. The up is left. This number times 1 still is the same number. So now in here, guys, in math you studied if it's the base is same, they are same, the base. First write down the 1, the 2 times the base are same, right? The base The 15, it's negative 15. We minus the power and divide inside the bracket. 3 inside the bracket 2. Because they are divide, Baba, we minus it. Okay. So when you minus it, they are same sign, right? Look, they have same sign. So we add the number. So 2 times 10 power negative 18 kilogram. Look, 10 power negative 18 kilogram. I hope to get the benefit. Guys, the second rule, as I told you, immediately you can convert it. But from now, just follow this rule. When we finish inshallah chapter 2, I'm going to tell this rule directly how you convert the unit. Guys, we have another example. Look, question 1. A human hair approximately 50 micrometer in diameter. The diameter is 50 micrometer. Express this diameter in meters. So easy. Convert 50 micrometer to meter. Guys, first write the rule. Like guys, you have to memorize a table for rules. 1 micrometer equal to 10 power negative 6 meter. 10 power negative 6 meter. Yalla, as I memorize the rule, make a line and multiply and make a line all time. The number is 50 micrometer. Yalla, 50 micrometer times make a line. Copy then in down micrometer all time in up, because the question said make it meter, so you have to write the meter in up. Yalla, according to the rule, we have 1 micrometer, so you have to write the one next to the micrometer, and in the other one next to the meter, 10 power negative 6, write in up. Okay, that's so easy. The down it's 1, both down, so to don't multiply, just multiply the up. 50 times 10 power negative 6, so the answer is 50 times 10 power negative 6, what Baba? Meter. Because I forgot to tell you the micro will be cancelled, so just 50 times 10 power negative 6 is left. Mister, what about the down fraction, guys? Because the down both it's 1, so to multiply still 1, so don't write it. So the answer is just 50 times 10 power negative 6. Okay. Question 2. Okay, guys, question 2, just focus on the question 2. A typical radio wave has a period of 1 microsecond. Express this period in a second. We have 1 microsecond, make it just second. Guys, like previous one. The previous it was micrometer. I said micrometer, microsecond, like if the previous prefix is micro, the power still 10 power negative 6. So we know 1 microsecond or 1 micrometer, still the power is 10 power negative 6. Because in a second, after a second, if it's meter, 1 micrometer equal to 10 power negative 6 meter. But because see here is second, so 1 microsecond is equal to 10 power negative 6 second. Guys, this is so easy. Just Yalla, just again, all time memorize the rule. 1 microsecond, yalla, multiply, make a line all time. Then because it's microsecond, copy microsecond. What are we going to write in the up? Because the question said make it second, so in up should be second. Yalla, according to the rule. Yalla, the rules. We have 1 microsecond, so the one should be next to the microsecond, and the other one is second. We have 10 power negative 6, so 10 power negative 6. Done, guys. The down again it's 1, so 1 times 1 still 1, so because the down both it's 1, so don't write it. The up it's left, and I forget the microsecond cancel, so 1 times this power, 1 times 10 power negative 6, still 10 power wait a minute, I'm gonna write the answer here, still 10 power negative 6, because 1 times 10 power negative 6 is still the same answer. Okay, guys, question 2 is done too, guys. Done. Question 3. Question 3. An hydrogen atom has a diameter about 10 nanometer. Convert part A, convert to meter. Same thing, باب يلا. 10 nanometer, 10 nanometer, make it meter. Yeah. Look. يلا. 10 nanometer, multiply and make a line. But first, what was the rule of nano? Now it's nano. 1 nanometer, the rule was what? Equal to 10 power negative 9 meter. Negative 9 meter. يلا. Multiply, make a line. It's nano. Copy the in down. And in up, because the question said make it meter, so write the meter in up. Baba, this is rule. Like, whatever the unit in the question, if it's nano, copy. But in up, why we have to write meter? Because the question said, make it meter. يلا بابا ضروا. We have 1 nanometer, so the one should be next to the nano, and the other 10 power negative 9 meter next to 10 power negative 9 meter. So the nanometer with nanometer is gonna be cancelled. So guys, again, the down it's 1. 1 times 1 still 1, so don't write it. Equal, the up is left. 10 times 10 power negative 9. 10 times 10 power negative 9 meter. I think it's easy. It's gonna be easy, guys. Now it's enough for the inshallah from the upcoming chapters. For the next video, we'll solve all the examples left. We did question 3 part A, even we did part B, C is left with question 4 and 5. I hope to get the benefit. I have to understand this topic, guys. From the second video, before to watch this video, Baba, first you should memorize all this rule. When you memorize it, then again watch the video, then of course you'll understand more. Because now maybe like it's so complicated for you because you didn't understand any rule, you didn't memorize any rule because need for you. Memorize all the rule, and really so easy. And question 3 we solve the question 3 we solve question part 8, so B, C and 4, 5 is left. Till it's enough now. I hope to get the benefit inshallah from this video. If there's any question, if there's any problem, write down the comment for me, or send me a message, or inform me in the comments anywhere. I'm gonna help you inshallah. I'm gonna see you later for the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.